So after around 5-6 months, finally this is how the kitchen waste gets converted.
Okay.
It's a black soil or chai patti type of texture.
Okay.
So this is, we finally sieve this and get compost.
You sieve this?
Yes.
Okay.
Because the bigger pieces will go back. Something like seeds or something take time. And this, what you're seeing in my hand, this flaky soft thing, is the compost.
Okay.
This was all kitchen waste 6 months back.
Okay, and there is something.
There'll be insects.
Okay.
Insects are part of the system.
Okay.
There are many varieties.
Okay.
So right from spiders to these insects to snakes or whatever.
So how do you take care of the health hazards of this for the laborers and even you yourself?
The health hazard is the first bit,
Which one?
not this one.
Okay, which one is the first bit?
That is what I showed you now.
Okay.
That is kitchen waste which is getting
Decomposed.
decomposed. Is a hot pipe.
Okay.
Because this is called as aerobic reaction.
Okay.
So it produces heat and it is decomposing. So generally nobody puts their hand deep inside over here.
Okay.
It is just from the surface it is added, dry leaves are added, the bacteria is added and we kind of find it.
Okay.
That will not pose any harm because it's already processed.
Okay.
The compost is done. There's no heat, nothing.
Then how do you, what are the safety measures that you opt for? Do you know, even the laborers, even you, when you are working
Safety
into
measures is shoes, one part, washing hands or
Okay.
having a bath after emptying a pit.
Okay.
That's it. Like that, there is no as such harm.
Okay.
People have the perception that waste is a problem, so there would be harm. But in 6 years, I have not fallen sick because of working in a
Okay, okay, that's great. And every day there is one pit?
No, that is a concept which many people follow.
Okay.
But I don't do that.
Okay.
Because this Monday to Sunday concept is good when you're using earthworms.
Okay.
Because they cannot be fed kitchen waste daily.
Okay.
They have to be given one day at a time.
Okay. Okay.
But I do one whole pit at a time, then go to the next one.
Okay.
So by the time my 7th pit is filled up, my first two are ready.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that's great. Cool.